Hello there. Today I'd like to introduce you to a online web application called Adobe Browser Lab. One of the annoying things when developing a website is your design may look slightly different on various internet browsers, heck, sometimes even extremely different depending on your expertise. Well, this is where the Adobe Browser Lab comes into play. You can go to the Browser Lab's website at browserlab.adobe.com. It does require you to be registered with the adobe.com website. Once the Browser Lab loads up, you want to go up to the second menu item as a browser sets. When you click on that, it will present you with the list of all of the browsers, all of the most popular browsers that visitors will use when going to your website. As you can see, there's about 5 or 6 of them already selected. These are the ones that you'll typically want to use because the other 4 on here are more current versions, and they typically won't present you with the design issues that you get with the older versions, especially Internet Explorer. So once you have all of your check marks of which ones you want to test, you simply click on the test button, and up at the top you would type in the URL that you'd like to visit, or like to see. So we're just going to go to a website, bbc.com, and you can see there's a progress bar loading here, and it's basically loading the visual experience of the following browsers that you chose. So a little green dot will appear next to it once it's fully loaded, but give it a few more seconds, and I'll show you what's going on here. So as you can see, the BBC website has loaded. It looks fine. BBC programmers did a great job with their code, and there's not really any differences in their design. So this may not be the case with your website. So to test the browsers that you want to use, you click at the top here. It says Internet Explorer 7 at the moment. You hit this and it's a drop-down menu, and you can go and choose which ones you like to do. So let's go to Internet Explorer 6 to see if there's any differences. Well, the first thing I noticed right here is this top news story section has moved up a little bit. So for whatever reason, Internet Explorer 6 is rendering maybe a little bit different from Internet Explorer 7. See, as you can see, this moved down. So that's just one slight example of what the Adobe Browser Lab can do for you. I highly recommend it. It can save you a lot of time and frustration, especially when you launch your website and people tell you something may not look right on their browser. So before you launch any website, I highly recommend going to the Browser Lab and testing across multiple platforms to see if your website looks fine. Alright, thank you very much.